Let me give you guys an update on the Ebola situation in Africa. So China and Cuba are now sending doctors to West Africa, and the World Bank just approved a $105 million grant. And also the United States is taking action. They pledged 3,000 troops and 1,700 new Ebola beds and training for hundreds of healthcare workers to try and fight the plague. So the reason why you're seeing this global effort is because the situation is bad, okay? I don't know how else to put it. There's already been 2,500 deaths, and there's about 5,000 reported cases. But perhaps the scariest fact yet is that, according to a study from Euro Surveillance, there may be 277,000 more cases before the epidemic is over. Wow. That should scare everybody. Here's another setback. Quote, Liberia's legislature announced that the House of Representatives had canceled an extraordinary sitting to discuss the outbreak because its own chambers had been tainted by a probable case of Ebola and was being sprayed with chlorine. Uh-oh. The statement didn't specify the source of the infection, but it noted that one of the chamber's doormen had recently died after a short illness. Liberia is ill-equipped to fight off the Ebola outbreak. Its entire national budget for 2013 and 2014 was $533 million. That's such an amazingly tiny government budget. And also, only $11 million was allotted for healthcare. So, to put that in perspective, the budget for all of Liberia's healthcare system is equal to what Kim Kardashian and Kanye West estimated to have paid for their Bel Air mansion in 2012. That's such a stunning fact, man. If there was no other fact that I could impose on you for you to understand real income inequality, this is the fact right here. Kim and Kanye's mansion is equal to the entire healthcare budget of Liberia, and Liberia is fighting Ebola, one of the world's worst diseases. I mean, this is like straight out of a horror movie, dude. This is crazy stuff. No, this is unbelievable. So, what do? I don't know, man. I don't know. If I'm Western nations, if I'm any nation, you have to realize the economy is global, and now we have airports everywhere, and people fly in and out and do this and that. So if something affects people in Liberia, motherfucker, it affects you in terms of diseases and things like that. So, I don't know, maybe we should invest more money? I mean, look, I think it's a good idea. It's funny that the U.S. government sent the military to do it, because apparently we can't send anybody but our military to do anything. All we have is military. But, I mean, honestly, I think Europe should probably step up more. I don't know, Australia, Canada, where you at? Did I mention your name in here? I don't know. But people probably should step up even more, because we got to do something to make sure that we cut this thing off at the knees, because this is nothing to drag our feet on, man. I mean, we act so much faster when it's something that interests the rich. Why not just this once act equally as fast, if not faster, to deal with an Ebola outbreak?